afternoon, everyone, or evening. I ordered this V6 video doorbell camera, and the problem that I'm having with my installation is I can't figure out how to get the back off of the video doorbell cam. If anyone knows anything about this, can you please send me a message and tell me how do I get the back off? I've tried, as you see, I've tried to dislodge the back from the holes here. That isn't working. I don't want to break it, but is something missing? This is supposed to be the part that I attach to the face of the outside of my door. Okay, this is what it looks like. The front looks like that's doorbell video camera. This is the chime, and this is all that came inside the box. Was the manual. I went through the manual. It didn't say anything about how to remove the back. Okay, and I just wanted to know if anybody knew how this works. And tell me how does it work. This is the strip, which I'm definitely not using because it's not secure. Those are the nails and the screws or whatever. Like I said, this is the chime. So can somebody please tell me, how does this work? How am I supposed to get the back off of this? Because I'm at a loss here. Seriously. I'm at a loss. Thank you.